Hi guys, what's up? Heraldo here, muli tayo nagbabalik sa ating YouTube channel para mag-review ng project dahil ang dami nagme-mention, nagtatag sa atin na reviewin daw natin tong Play Dodge. So basically guys, itong Play Dodge is play to earn on mobile device. So malalaro natin to sa Android at saka Apple in the future. Pero yun nga guys, before we continue, I would like to remind you all that I am not a financial advisor, I am not a crypto expert, hindi rin ako game expert, no? So kung ano yung mga share ko dito sa video na to is based on my experience and knowledge when it comes to Web3. So kayo pa rin ang masusunod. Again, only use the money that you can afford to lose. And yeah, sabi nga nila, your money, your choice. So kayo pa rin ang masusunod kung magjo-join ba kayo dito, magpa-participate, or gusto nyo bumili ng token nila. Okay, umpisahan agad natin tong Play Dodge guys. So basically, nasa pre-sale na po sila ngayon. Okay, ayan, naka-pre-sale na po ang kanilang token. So as of now, 4.8 million na po yung USDT raise nila or US dollars na na-raise dito sa pre-sale token. And ang goal lang nila dito is makarating sila sa 5.3 million. So meaning to say guys, pag naabot na po yung 5.3 million, magko-close na po yung pre-sale nila. So ano ba yung pre-sale na tinatawag, Heraldo? So basically guys, mabibili mo yung token sa murang halaga. Okay, for example, yung token na binili natin dito is nagkakahalaga ng 10 pesos, no? Yung play token nila per one play token. So yan guys, once na maglabas na po sila ng token or tinatawag nating token generation event, may possibility na yung 10 pesos mo is maging 20 pesos up to 200 pesos. Depende po yan sa project, no? Kung paano tumatakbo yung project or kung paano nila minamarket yung project nila at kung gaano kaganda yung project mismo. Okay? So, yan. So, currently guys, naka-sale sila ngayon, pre-sale. So, pwede tayong bumili gamit ang BNB, USDT at Ethereum. So, I would suggest na mag-BNB na lang tayo para hindi masakit sa bulsa ang gas fee. Mura lang ang gas fee kapag BNB. Okay, so yeah, Play Dodge is the best P2E Dodge companion game, sabi nga nila. And yeah, check natin audit nila. Na-audit na ba to? Solid proof. Okay, so na-audit na nung May 22, 2024. And you can check everything here, no, sa kanilang website kung paano sila in-audit ng solid proof. Okay, so yeah, explore ulit natin yung kanilang website. So, Play Dodge featured in, na-feature na sila no, sa FX Street, Cryptopolitan, Bitcoin.com, Binance Square, TradingView, and so much more. Okay, so yan yung about ng Play Dodge. Play Dodge is a mobile game that combines the beloved Tamagotchi virtual pet experience. Kung naalala nyo guys, yung mga batang 90s dyan, nakapaglaro kayo ng Tamagotchi, yung mga family computer, no, parang ganito lang yung mga graphics nila. Ayan, so ito, malamang naalala niyo to kung batang 90s kayo. So parang ibabalik nila to gamit tong Play Dodge na pangalan at yung play token nila. Okay, para masabi natin na play to earn tong game na to. So yun, okay. So inspiration guys, again, since 1996, over 82 million Tamagotchi units has been sold out. Okay, yung Tamagotchi, kung hindi nyo naabutan, ilalagay ko na lang sa screen kung ano itsura niya. Game feature guys, Play Dodge brings the virtual pet craze into 21st century with high definition pixel graphics, intuitive touchscreen controls, interactive pet care, and blockchain security. So yan, ganito yung maging possibility, ganito yung maging itsura niya kapag nalalaro na siya sa mobile natin. So ayan, no, kasama si King Kong. Okay, so ito guys yung phase 1, 2, 3, and 4 ng kanilang roadmap. Okay, roadmap yan. So, I think nandito pa lang tayo sa phase 1. Contract audit, pre-sale begins. So, yan nga, nag-umpisa na yung pre-sale. Activate socials. First market push. Tapos sa phase 2, development begins, pre-sale concludes. So, yan, papasok na sa phase 2 kapag natapos na yung pre-sale nila. Token launch on DEX. So, meaning to say, lalabas muna to sa mga decentralized exchanges. Okay, tapos yung product roadmap nila ma-update na. Phase 3, marketing pump, Play Dodge app testing. Yan. So, dito na papasok, minigame beta. First, centralized exchange listing. So, ano ba yung centralized exchange? Example niyan guys, yung BitGet, Binance. Okay, mga ganyan. Play Dodge app release sa phase 4. Launch of minigames ulit. Community airdrop. Uy, magpapa-airdrop sila. Siguro kapag may hold ka na token, no? Future centralized exchange listing. So, magdadagdag na naman sila. For example, na-list sila sa BitGet. Possible malis din sila sa Bybit, OKX, and so much more. Okay, play dodge token. Ito yung feature, no, functionality, earn mechanism, utility. Tapos yun nga, play to earn. And yeah, so hindi lang play to earn, no. Leaderboards yan. Kapag nasa top leaderboards tayo, may makukuha tayong play token as a reward. And siguro may staking din dito. So yan, tokenomics tayo. Total tokens will be 9.4 billions. Napakadami. And 50% of this will be on pre-sale. Ang laki, di ba? Grabe yan. Okay, tapos 10% yung marketing nila. Another 10% for the project funds. 12% staking. So maganda-ganda, malaki din. Liquidity 11.5% and 6.5 community rewards. Okay, yun, how to buy One Connect. So pwede tayong gumamit ng MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Best Wallet, kung saan kayo komportable. Tapos yan, swap. So syempre kapag bibili tayo, kailangan natin i-swap. So BNB for example, bili tayo 0.1 BNB is equivalent to 11,428 na play token. Okay, and next one is yung stake. So speaking of stake, nasabi na natin kanina, no. For example, meron kang 100 token, so kapag in-stake mo siya, madadagdagan siya. Okay, so yun yung staking. So frequently asked questions, what is Play Dodge? Play Dodge is a meme-inspired virtual pet companion game with retro 8-bit graphics and exciting play-to-earn P2E features designed for mobile phones. So I think magfo-focus sila dito sa mobile gameplay ng Play Dodge, where I can download Play Dodge. So ayan, madadownload siya sa Google Play app and App Store. So as of now, wala pa po. Again, nasa pre-sale pa lang sila. So medyo matagal-tagal pa yung gameplay. What is Play Token Utility? Ayan, so ito na yung hinahanap natin. Ano bang utility ng token na to? So allowing players to earn additional play by engaging in activities within the Play Dodge app. Additionally, play can be staked during the pre-sale to achieve dynamic APY. Okay, when can I claim Play Token? So yan, for example, natapos na yung pre-sale nila, lahat ng buyers ay makakapag-claim na ng token nila with the same wallet. So for example guys, ito yung wallet ko, ito yung ginamit kong pambili ng Play Token. So dito rin papasok yung Play Token once na mag-conclude at mag-distribute na sila ng token. Okay, so paano natin makikita guys? So basically magre-reveal sila ng contract address, tapos i-click lang natin yung import token, ilalagay lang natin yung contract address dyan, and lalabas na po yung kanilang Play Token. Okay, so which wallet works to buy? So again, Best Wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet. So how do I contact support? Okay, kapag may queries kayo, lalo na sa pre-sale, sa token, so join lang kayo ng Telegram group. So eto po yung Telegram group ng Play Dodge, click nyo lang yan. So t.me/playdodgegame, and yan, meron silang 5.5 subscribers as of making this video. Yan, follow nyo sila sa Twitter guys, meron silang verified badge. Okay, ayan, meron silang verified badge. And yeah, ano pa ba? Telegram, sali kayo sa Telegram nila. Tapos white paper, kung ano namin nasa official website nila, nakalatag na rin dito sa white paper, no. Mas detailed lang dito sa white paper, no. Introduction, storyline, history and concept, tokenomics, okay, leaderboard rewards, nandito na, play to earn, the Play Token, and so much more. So yan, lalagyan na lang natin lahat ng link in the video description below. So yun guys, hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video. Comment down below kung may mga katanungan ka tungkol dito. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace!